IELTS Vocabulary, new technique. Follow these new methods to score higher in the IELTS test. Making association or mind mapping can be a useful technique to help you learn new expressions and collocations. When you are describing a place, you can think of ambience of the place, traditional or modern. What makes you feel good when you visit this place? Calm atmosphere, cozy or comfy atmosphere, facilities, staff courtesy and service in case of a shop or a restaurant, famous tourist spots, location, etc. The second method is to use some good adjectives. Some positive adjectives are splendid, awesome, mesmerizing, captivating, memorable. Try to find suitable nouns which go with these words such as performance, experience, etc. Some negative adjectives are adverse, awful, scary, sloppy and substandard. Now try to find suitable nouns such as experience, moment, effects, etc. which can go with these adjectives. Now think of adverbs. Generally these are ending words. Adverbs can be used with adjectives. For example, environmentally sustainable technology. Now, this is a powerful collocation. Social or economic or environmental? For best IELTS tips, subscribe our channel and click the notification icon. For best online IELTS training, call +91 to 922 crore 98,67,353, WhatsApp, or write to silkaday@gmail.com. www.onlineieltspreparation.com, www.latesandore.com